I did this and no one ever found out. This was many years ago when I was in middle school. I lived with my dad part-time as a child of divorce. His girlfriend, Elle, agreed to move in if he bought a bigger house with 3 bedrooms because she wanted a guest bedroom. The house had a master bedroom. One was about 50% bigger than the other, and the little one was pink with ballerina wallpaper border. Elle decided that the bigger room had to be the guest bedroom, and I got the tiny ballerina room. I fought and lost. I had to get a twin-size bed because the room could not hold a queen and a homework desk. I hated it. Worst of all, Elle had a dog that always had fleas. When I was at my mom's, Elle let her dog sleep in my bed, so I got fleas. I had always been a good kid, no trouble, straight A's, hall monitor, a real goody 2 shoes, but this pushed me over the limit. Elle planted 2 very fancy gardens, one for vegetables and one for flowers. She spent a lot of money on the flowers and was really into them. So I got the salt we used for when the driveway gets icy and began working into the dirt in her garden. Everything died. Nothing grew. A year later, she planted more fancy flowers and veggies, so I salted the earth again. Nothing grew again. Elle and my dad broke it off before year 3, but I already had my salt ready. She never knew it was me.